guys, welcome back to the channel. So I don't have anything too special for you guys today. Actually, I broke my radio. I broke my Tyrannus QX7. I dropped it the other day and I broke these two switches right here. I got new switches on the way, but I gotta wait for them to get here before I can fly any more analog stuff. So right now all I got to fly is my DJI, my Cinewhoop, and my Alpha, and just whatever digital quads I have that uses my DJI radio up there. But anyway, I don't have too many, but I'm gonna get them fixed up. I'm working on a lot of projects, getting everything fixed up right now. Should be coming back strong once I get everything going. I have a lot of stuff going on. This is a Creighton, my 8S Creighton, or I was trying to make it 12S. I'm gonna put the Castle ESC back on it for now and make it 8S again until I get this ZTW Beast ESC figured out. I'm also gonna make it a FPV truck, so it's gonna be a FPV Creighton. I'm gonna drive it, be able to drive it with the goggles on. I'm doing the same thing to the Axial Yeti. I got all the parts, the bearings, and everything to restore it. I'm gonna turn it into an FPV truck. I'm gonna put the DJI air unit in there, and we're gonna be able to drive it with the goggles on. So that'll be pretty neat. That's gonna be some stuff that's coming within the next couple months to the channel. But anyway, guys, like I said, I got tons of stuff going on. I gotta wait for my parts for my radio before I can do too many more videos. So I'm using this time right now just to get stuff fixed up and just mess around. But I did take an early morning flight here right as the sun was coming up with my my Cinewhoop. So that's what this video is about. I got an early morning flight here around the neighborhood at sunrise this morning, and I thought it was a great video. I had a blast making it, and I wanted you guys to check out this footage. I was trying to make it as cinematic as possible. So here we go. Roll the footage. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. And I love you guys. Later.
Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the morning. Stay in the morning with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. trying to find your own way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline we made.